Hello guys, welcome to Review Therapy. Today we have bring a new smartphone that is the Nokia X6, which is also known as Nokia 6.1. It is recently launched in China and Hong Kong only, not on. No, it is not launched globally. So let's our review about the Nokia 6.1 Plus begins. So as you can look how beautiful the phone looks like, it is quite amazing looks it has, and it has one notch present upside. It looks similar to iPhone X. So now let's talk about its general specification. It has the Android 8.1 Oreo with Android 1, and its camera it has dual camera 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel, and its front camera is 16 megapixel. Now come to the battery. It has non-removable Li-ion 3060 mAh battery. It has octa-core 1.8 GHz Cryo 260 processor, and it has 4 GB of RAM, and in other variant it has 6 GB RAM. It has the chipset of Qualcomm SDM636 Snapdragon 636. So now I will tell you the amazing thing about this phone, that Nokia 6.1 Plus smartphone was launched in July 2018. The phone comes with a 5.80-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2280 pixels. The Nokia 6.1 Plus is powered by octa-core processor, and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 400 GB via microSD card. As far as the camera are concerned, the Nokia 6.1 Plus packs a 16 megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 16 megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Nokia 6.1 Plus runs on Android 8.1 and is powered by a 3060 mAh battery. It measures 147.20 multiplies 70.98 multiply 8.59 height, width and thickness. The weight weighs 151.00 grams. The Nokia 6.1 Plus is a dual SIM GSM and GSM smartphone that accepts Nano-SIM and Nano-SIM connectivity. Options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB, OTG, 3G and 4G with support for band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass, magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope, and it has fingerprint sensor at its backside. So now let's talk about some history of the Nokia smartphones. That Nokia used to be one of the world's biggest mobile phone manufacturer, but it fell behind with the advent of iPhone and Android smartphone in 2014. Nokia's devices and services division was sold to Microsoft in 2016. Finnish company HMD Global bought a part of Microsoft feature phone business and has a licensing agreement that allows it to make smartphone under the Nokia brand. So that was the history of Nokia company. As you see, the phone looks quite different from other Nokia phones. So let's have a look on the detailed specifications of the Nokia X6, and also known as Nokia 6.1. Here the specifications begin. So guys, if you like our video, please hit the subscribe button and also like our video. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss any new update from Review Therapy. For now, that's all from my side. Hit the like button if you like our videos, share it, comment it, and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks. And also thanks for watching.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.